Well, I think already. I mean, even if let's say while the market is quote unquote evening out, there's houses staying on the market for a really long time right now.
Yes,
Which is
compared.
obviously terrible news for the market, but it's I mean it's great news for you if this is what we're looking at, because if your main method of generating business is open houses, let's say, then the longer these places are on the market, the longer your window of opportunity to generate leads is open.
Correct.
So it's a fantastic opportunity for you to take advantage of the slow market. And it's like, it sucks for realtors. Like, no, it doesn't. I mean, maybe it does for some, but like not for you, because you have longer open houses, which means you can have more conversations with as many people as possible. So that's really cool as well. But then the question is obviously outside of open houses, because the scale engine is all about scale. And so while you don't have a team, because a team is going to be a great way for you to scale, because you can then have, let's say, 5-10 agents at any given time going and doing open houses all around the city, or cities, I'll say, between Kentucky and Cincinnati.
Yes.
So that's a fantastic opportunity. But until you have that, how do you actually scale this strategy and get in front of as many first-time home buyers as possible? So my first thought is the first-time home buyer webinar.
Absolutely.
Because what's happening is you're educating them. And as you said, it's 45% approximately right now of first-time home buyers that come into the house, and about 90% of first-time home buyers that you actually get to sit down and talk with. So the reason obviously that the number is significantly higher after, I mean, this is obvious, but after you've spoken to them, is the ones that are willing to sit down with a buyer consultation are the ones that are likely more serious. They're not tire kickers. And so you're basically converting them at close to 100% of the time.
Yes.
Right.
And that's one of the good things that's a marker with the buyer's consultation. If they're willing to come in and sit down for an hour, like they want to learn, they want to know they're serious. If I can't get them into that, they're not serious. They're not ready. They're just out, like you said, kicking tires.